Hello everybody, I am Naveen Ganglani and we are here today at Cafe Justina for our all-star cover interview with none other than one of the biggest stars in the Philippine sports scene today, Gemma Galanza.
Hello po. Hi.
Gemma, kamusta naman? How are you feeling?
Okay naman po.
Okay naman?
Yes.
Yeah? What do you like to do? Medyo rainy weather now. What are your favorite rainy weather activities?
Actually, matulog po. Kasi ito yung time na masarap matulog and relaxing po. Well, I'm feeling.
And I'm guessing pag natutulog ka, medyo you cuddle up with your dog sometimes. No?
Yes.
Well, for those of you who don't know, Gemma actually owns 11 dogs. She is a pet lover. She adores her dogs. In fact, if I ask you right now, you can name all of them, right? All
Yes,
11.
Opo.
Can you share their names?
Yung dog ko po talaga, si Milo. Tapos, merong nagpa-adapt sa amin na dog. So, si Inga po siya. So, sila po yung mag-partner. So, nakabuo sila ng, actually hindi po 11, nakabuo sila for 2 years ng almost 26.
Wow.
Yes po. So, yung iba po na pinamigay na namin, ang mga natira po, si Lily po, yung bunso, then si Kobe, si Gigi, si Coco, and then si Nini. Tapos yung iba po na anak na po nung mga pit na anak nila, si Kiona, si Lisa, Liam, Caramel.
Caramel? Nice.
Yan. So yun pa yung mga dog.
So I have to ask, my favorite ka ba from the dogs? Or are you one of those pet owners na you love them all equally?
Syempre meron po. Yung first dog ko po, si Milo po. Yan. Pero minsan pag nakakainis si Milo, so gusto mo yung iba na lang yung lalambingin. And syempre yun po, kailangan din po talaga na lahat na lalambing mo kasi magsiselos.
Actually, I have to ask, no, since you are an owner of so many dogs, how do you balance yung love mo for them equally? Kasi magsiselos yung isa, lalaro ka ng isa, magbabark yung isa, di ba? So, how do you manage that as a pet owner?
Siyempre po, dahil matagal na po nagka-dog, so may nababasa-basa na po sa social media, sa Google, ganyan po. So, sinasabi nila na pag gusto mo, hindi sila masyado aggressive po, huwag mo na daw pansinin. Kapag uuwi po ako ng bahay, hindi ko sila pinapansin lahat. Then, pag quiet na po sila, doon po isa-isahin ko sila ihahag.
Yes.
As in, makikita nila na para, ma-feel nila lahat na love ko sila. Then, pag ilalabas ko sila, isa-isa po silang nilalabas ko, yung 11 po. So, yun yung way ko din ng workout or me time ko po sa bahay.
Yung pagiging pet owner, parang when you see it on pictures or social media, parang ang saya, di ba? You have dogs that you love or pets na other animals, but a lot of people don't see the work and the training that goes on behind the scenes to be a pet owner, right? So, did you study up on how to take care of dogs talaga throughout your time collecting pets? And do you advise na people who might look into getting dogs to do the same, mag-aral talaga sila?
Opo. Super hirap po. Ako medyo na-shock ako sa mga dogs kasi sobrang dami talaga. Akala lang namin alagaan mo lang, pakakainin mo lang sila, pero dami po pala talagang trabaho. So medyo yun yung hindi namin napaghandaan nung time na yun. So ngayon, hindi sila yung klase ng dogs na smart, diba? So talagang pasaway po ang mga dogs namin. Kapag di talaga napansin, magagalit or mag-iingay ng mag-iingay. So, ang ginagawa na lang po namin talaga, yun nga, hanggat maaari, kami po yung mahaba ang pasensya talaga. Tapos, kapag ready na po kami na bigay yung time namin sa kanila, ibibigay po talaga namin. And yun, super important talaga na mapag-aaralan nyo rin talaga kung paano mag-alaga ng dogs. Kasi, syempre, mapapamahal ka po sa kanila and ayaw mo naman po dumating sa point na mawawala sila na hindi mo alam yung mangyayari or wala kang magagawa. So, siguro, importante na din na mapag-aaralan ko para, alam mo yun, mas mahaba yung time natin sa kanila kasi hindi po sila katulad natin na
Tama.
Na mahaba po yung buhay. So,
di ba tama na 1 human year is 7 dog years? Correct ba yun? Oh. So, isipin mo, parang if you don't see your dog in 1 day, parang for them, it's like they didn't see you in a week, diba? Medyo But let me ask you something. What are some tips and tricks about owning dogs that you discovered just from experience that you can't learn from reading books or searching online, and you can only know by having dogs yourself? What are some of your advice?
Yung time talaga, sa quality time sa dog, sobrang sakit sa heart ko. Ako kasi dati, yung si Milo po, nakasama ko siya sa condo. So, pag every time na magte-training ako, sobrang sakit sa heart na iiyak siya or talagang gusto niya talagang umalis, makasama na ako. So, yun yung isa sa mga natutunan ko talaga na dapat kahit isang tao talaga may makakasama yung dog ko. Kasi malulungkot talaga sila. Meron talagang dogs na madedepress. So, ayun yung ayaw kong nafe-feel. So, kaya every time po talaga sa bahay, kahit isang tao po talaga merong makakasama sila para hindi nila makina, mag-isa lang po sila.
It's so funny nga, no? Because I've had dogs also. And so I've had a Labrador and a Pug. So sometimes, it's like nakukuha nila yung energy ng room eh. Diba? Like, even if they don't know what you're feeling, let's say uwi ka, malungkot ka, or excited ka, or you're very happy, parang naturally nakukuha nila yung energy na yun, diba? Like, it's like they can draw in what you're feeling and without you knowing it, nararamdaman din nila. Have you experienced that?
Well, yes po. Na-experience ko yun. Parang actually, si Milo po, dog ko talaga po. Yung unang-unang dog ko po talaga. So, meron yung time na parang nag-struggle ako sa sarili ko po. So, nafe-feel ko talaga, as in, nagko-comfort po siya sa akin, hilahab niya po ako. Tapos, nafe-feel ko din na sobrang lungkot niya rin. So, I think gano'n talaga yung dogs. And then, pat-time din po meron. Kasi yung parang yung father ko, meron siyang nararamdaman. So, nagpa-check up sila, then meron nga pong nakita. Then, yung isang dog ko po, parang sad talaga siya. Hindi siya lumalabas ng room nila tatay po. So, parang feeling ko, baka na-feel niya na may nararamdaman yung father ko na hindi kami aware. So,
parang they can feel it.
Yung kahit yung sakit po, as in sakit po talaga. So,
wow.
Ang cool lang.
Actually, meron akong kilala na she didn't know her father was sick also. And then the dog ended up having the same sickness as the dad pa. So sometimes, I'm not sure if it was coincidence or it's a connection, but it's really amazing sometimes how similar dogs and human beings can be.
Sabi nga daw po nila, meron, pag kunyari yung dog mamamatay, sabihin may sinesave po silang life. Yun. So, I think totoo siya. Kasi na-experience ko po dun sa partner ko po. Namatayin sila ng dog. And then, may
na-save siyang life. Wow. Dogs are amazing. Amazing. Let me ask you something. Do you believe that dogs can see ghosts when human beings don't? Kasi di ba sometimes parang bigla na lang magbabark yung dog like out of nowhere. I'm like, ano ginagawa mo? And people have told me, hala, may multo dyan. That's why that dog is barking. As an owner of 11 dogs and more, do you believe in that?
Yung mama ko po, sa bahay, kasi may second floor po kami, so lagi silang nakatingin doon sa second floor. Wala pong tao doon usually. Buong araw po kasi nag-work po sila. So, titingin sila nakaganyan or mag-bark na po. So, patatakot yung mama ko po na sino tinatawin sila doon. Pero sana po, wag naman po sana kasi
nakakatakot.
Nakakatakot po. Minsan ako lang po mag-isa sa bahay. Ganyan.
Wow.